lasagna, so you haven't seen it yet, and you don't need an oven. In a saucepan, add 15 ribbons of pasta to lasagna in a boiling water and leave for 5 minutes or until al dente. After it's cooked, let it run. In another pan, add 3 tablespoons of butter and give a slight stir, and then add 2 tablespoons of wet flour. Stir until well dissolved, and when you reach that point, add 600 ml of milk gradually. Here I'm seasoning with 1 teaspoon of Parmesan cheese, 1 pinch of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon salt, and now just mix until it starts to thicken. Then is the ideal point. In a frying pan, add some of this white sauce and spread all over the bottom of the skillet. Now add the pasta until covered and now add a little more sauce. Use 250 grams of ham for the filling and 250 grams of mozzarella. Once that's done, just repeat the process on all layers. To give a special touch, add a little oregano to taste. Now just cover the pan and leave it for 15 minutes. After that time, just turn off the fire and look how our lasagna looks. There's no way to resist. Do it at your house that I'm sure everyone will love. A super fast, practical and easy to make lasagna. That was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug until the next time, and thanks for watching.